Okay, this is the test 1 review for MAT 1033 Intermediate Algebra. We're going to look at number 28. Number 28 says graph the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals 15. Now in order to graph a linear equation, we need to put it in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope. And then b gives us the point 0b, which is the y-intercept, which is the starting point where we're going to start graphing our equation. So we need to put our equation into the slope-intercept form. So to do so, notice it's y equals, so I have to get y by itself. So to get y by itself, I need to move this 2x over. The 2x is positive, so I need to do the opposite. I need to subtract 2x from both sides. 2x minus 2x cancels each other out. I'm left with 3y equals negative 2x plus 15. Notice I put the x term first because I want it to be mx plus b. Last but not least, getting y by itself. I have 3 times y, so I need to do the opposite. I need to divide both sides by 3 to get y by itself. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so they cancel each other out. I'm left with y equals. Now I can split both of those up and say negative 2 over 3x plus 15 over 3x. No, x, just 15 over 3. Whenever I simplify this, I get y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 15 over 3, whenever I simplify it, is just 5. So therefore, I know that my slope is negative 2 over positive 3. So I'm going to rise negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2. I'm going to run positive 3, so I'm going to go to the right 3. And then my b is 5, so this gives me my starting point, my y-intercept at 0, 5. So starting my graph, starting at this 0, 5, I'm going over 0, up 5. Over 0, up 5, based on that point that the y-intercept that the b gave me. So now I'm going to rise negative 2, so that means I'm going to go down 2 because it's negative, down 2, and I'm going to go over to the right because it's positive 3. So from my starting point, again, I'm going to go down 2, I'm going to go over 3 because that's what my slope is. There's my second point. So from my starting point, 0, 5, I'm going to go down 2, and I'm going to go over 3 because my slope says negative 2 over 3. Draw my line. Connecting the 2 dots, and that's it. So this is number 28 on the test 1 review for MAT 1033 Intermediate Algebra.